Welcome to Xyram, where innovation meets efficiency. Today, we'll explore how we transform the business processes of a leading security and devices manufacturing company in India. The journey began with challenges. The business team needed a comprehensive and integrated solution to adapt to their evolving needs in invoicing, returns, and warranty processing. Clueless customizations in existing applications led to continuous customer complaints and difficulties in reconciling the invoicing process. Frequent business disruptions and issues during month-end closures were becoming the norm. Xyram stepped in to provide the solution. We conducted a thorough functional fitment analysis to understand the current landscape. We assessed existing processes and performed sanity checks, reviewing and redesigning workflows to replace ineffective custom flows with suitable standard processes. An impact analysis was conducted on various integrations, data handling, and statutory reports, ensuring everything was in sync. Xyram established end-to-end traceability and visibility across disparate systems, empowering the organization with real-time insights. We conducted a successful conference room pilot and executed a seamless data migration plan, ensuring a smooth transition to the new processes. The results were remarkable. The company achieved end-to-end integrated business processes with complete data transparency. Cost savings, improved efficiency, and reduced manual effort led to ensured regulatory compliance, complete audit trails, and effective statutory reporting. Automation and integration eliminated data silos, ensured accuracy across systems, and enhanced operational efficiency. Teams could now streamline approval processes and resolve issues quickly. At Xyram, we are committed to empowering organizations like yours to achieve operational excellence. Ready to transform your processes? Contact us today.